Looking to upgrade your home entertainment without spending a fortune? Today, we're diving into some of the best smart TVs that deliver stunning visuals, powerful features, and incredible value for money. From immersive 4K displays to smart streaming platforms and voice control, these TVs are designed to completely transform your viewing experience. Whether you're into movies, gaming, or binge watching your favorite shows, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. The Toshiba C350 Series 50-inch TV delivers a cinematic experience with powerful picture processing and immersive audio. Equipped with the Rexa Engine ZR and AI 4K upscaling, it enhances clarity and detail in every frame, even for older content. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos combine to create a more lifelike viewing experience, both visually and acoustically. With Fire TV built in, you get quick access to all your favorite apps, live TV, and streaming services from a single home screen. Features like Game Mode and Sports Mode optimize performance depending on what you're watching, ensuring smoother motion and better responsiveness. It's a solid option for users who want a balanced mix of performance, smart features, and affordability. The Hisense, a 4 Series 40-inch TV, is a fantastic budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on essential features. With full HD resolution and a full-array LED backlight, it delivers clear and vibrant visuals for everyday viewing. Built on the Roku TV platform, it gives you instant access to tons of streaming apps, live TV, and free content, all in one simple interface. The slim bezel design maximizes screen space, making your viewing experience more immersive. Dolby Audio enhances the sound quality, ensuring clear dialogue and balanced audio. Plus, with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, controlling your TV becomes effortless. It's an ideal choice for bedrooms, small living rooms, or anyone looking for a reliable smart TV at an affordable price. The Roku Select Series 43-inch TV is built for simplicity, speed, and entertainment. With sharp 4K resolution and HDR support, it delivers vibrant colors and crisp detail that bring your favorite content to life. Roku's intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy to navigate through thousands of apps, free channels, and live TV options. The enhanced voice remote allows you to search, control, and launch apps using just your voice, adding a layer of convenience to your experience. Features like Bluetooth headphone mode and automatic software updates ensure the TV keeps getting better over time. Its clean, frameless design blends seamlessly into any setup, making it a great choice for modern homes focused on streaming. The Insignia F 50 Series 50-inch TV stands out as one of the best value-for-money 4K smart TVs available. It offers Ultra HD resolution with HDR10 support, delivering sharper contrast and more vibrant colors compared to standard Full HD TVs. With Fire TV integration, you gain access to a massive library of streaming apps, live channels, and even free content platforms. The DTS Virtual X Audio creates a more immersive sound experience, making movies and shows feel more engaging. It also works as a smart home hub, allowing you to control compatible devices directly from your TV. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-packed 4K TV, this is an excellent pick. The Samsung 55-inch Crystal UHD 8000F is designed for those who want premium visuals and smart features in a sleek, modern package. Powered by the Crystal Processor 4K, this TV enhances every scene with rich colors and sharp detail, even upgrading lower resolution content to near 4K quality. Its slim metal stream design adds a touch of elegance to any room, while Motion Accelerator ensures smoother visuals during fast-paced action like sports or gaming. What really stands out is the built-in Samsung TV Plus, offering thousands of free channels and content without subscriptions. On top of that, Knox Security provides multi-layer protection for your data and connected devices. It's a perfect all-rounder for anyone looking for performance, design, and smart functionality in one package. So, whether you're upgrading your living room setup or looking for a budget-friendly smart TV, these options prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get an incredible viewing experience. Each TV offers a unique mix of features from stunning 4K visuals to smart streaming and voice control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. And as always, stay tuned for more awesome tech. See you in the next video.